If you like the idea of working lace, but you're more of a garment knitter, or you want to find ways of combining lace within your garments, I've got a couple of pattern examples that are a really good way of seeing how you can pull lace within your knitting. So the video I was talking about before this, where I was talking about accessories, I was explaining how with an accessories you really want to block it and knit it very, very loosely. That's not always going to be possible when you're knitting with a garment. So the lace is never going to be quite as opened up as you're going to see with the shawl, but it's still going to look like lace. So the first one I'm looking at here is Dusty Road. It's a top-down seamless sweater and it's knit in cotton, and the sleeves of it are knit in lace pattern. So as you work your way down with this, you're increasing within the raglan, and this particular one is quite a complex lace pattern. So until you have enough stitches to include in the lace pattern, you've got a marker, you work stockinette stitch, and then when you've got enough stitches, you incorporate those new stitches into the lace pattern. So that is one of the things when you're doing lace that you need to be thinking about, is how you bring any increased stitches into the lace pattern itself. So that is happening on the shoulder of this. This one over here is our Nua dark pearl, and the first part of the body is knit from the top down with raglan shoulder shaping, but no front. So it's just plain stockinette stitch for the sleeves and for the back. And then the lace is entirely done by itself from side to side. So it does make it a little easier to work the lace because you're not incorporating it in with other things. So you've picked up stitches along here and you knit across here with this repeating kind of scalloped pattern going across the side. Now the top of it has a fold created, and that's done if I stretch this out with increases along the top edge. And just like that one, you're going to be working in stockinette stitch until you have enough stitches to incorporate an extra increase or an extra repeat of the lace in, and so it's growing out as you're going across here. To create this draped effect in the front, it's those extra increases are then gathered as you put the buttons in to gather it up together. So that one it's got a little bit going on, but the lace does mean that when you're working it, that's all you're working on and you're not doing any raglan shaping. So it's actually quite a nice way of being able to focus just on one thing. So if you are looking for a new technique, but you're not sure you want to do lace, maybe short rows are your thing. If you keep watching with the video series, we're going to next look at short rows, and you'll see what the different types of short rows are and where you can use them in both accessories and in garments. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss it. And we would love to know if you've incorporated lace into a garment. Just share your project with us. We love knowing how people use these different techniques.